Welcome to Ask and Learn.
Okay, so for this exercise, we need to count how many digits. We have a string of 3 digits, okay? And we need to count how many of those strings contain 3 of the same digits. Not contain, do not contain the 3 same digits. So the idea here is that we have strings of 3 digits. So we have 10 possibilities for each digit, right? So this to count how many strings we have, how many strings are possible. So this equals to 10 to the 10 cube, and this equals to 1000. So this 1000 possible strings. Okay, and this I'm going to label by the letter T of total. So this is a total possible strings without any restriction. But we need to focus on those that do not contain the 3 same digits. So let's count how many of them we have. So if we have strings where the 3 numbers are the same, we need to focus just on the first digit, right? Because the first digit is going to lead the rest of the numbers. So for example, if I put here 1, then the rest are going to be just copies of the 1. Then if we put here the number 2, then the rest are going to be 2 as well, because are strings with the same digits. So here for the first position, we just need to focus on the first position, and here we have 10 possibilities. So that means that those that have the 3 same digits, it's going to be 10, only 10 of them. And this I'm going to label by the letter psi. Okay, so the numbers that do not contain the 3 same digits means are equals to the total numbers minus those that are minus those strings that have the same 3 digits. Okay, so this is equals to 1000 minus the 10, and this is equals to 990. Now we need to count the numbers, the strings that start with an odd number. So again, we have here our three length string. We have 3 digits. So the first digit is going to be an odd number. So between 0 and 9, how many odd numbers we have? Well, we have 5 odd numbers. Okay, so here we have 5 possibilities, and for the rest we have the usual 10 possibilities for each. So the result is going to be 500. And the last thing is count how many strings. So the letter C, how many strings have 2 number 4s on the string. So look, we have a string of length 3, right? So you can put the 4s here, but also you can put in this position, and also you can put in this last position, for here and for here. So you can see that we have 3 possible configurations to put our 4s, and then for the rest for the remaining digit in our string, we need to put we have 9 possibilities, because we cannot put there another 4, because that will be contradicted. This string must have only 2 4s. So for the remaining digit, we have only 9 possibilities. So here we have 9 possibilities, and here we have 9 possibilities. So for each configuration we have 9 possibilities, here 9 possibilities, and here 9 possibilities. So the total number of strings that have only 2 4s on the string are equals to 3 times 9, and this equals to 27.